Take a look at these pictures. How long have we been without looking at India in this form? These are pictures from the newly opened up green zones of Karnataka. Traffic on the roads, shops open, commuters outside, and social distancing being followed and enforced. These are the green zones of Karnataka, just 4 among 14 districts of Karnataka which don't have COVID-19 cases and have therefore by the state government been opened up to almost normal life. Of course, there are still restrictions that apply in many of these places, but what a joy it is, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sure you agree with me when you say that it is a joy to see pictures like this again. This is the life that we've all known, and this is life kicking back in small baby steps to normal in parts of Karnataka. But this is not just Karnataka. It applies in many green zones across the country, and I'm going to take you through them to show you how state governments, including there in Karnataka, are doing things to slowly bring things back to normal. We are far from, winning the war against the coronavirus, and therefore there cannot be any drastic moves. But like we've just shown you, and I'm going to take you straight back to the ground now, in those places of Karnataka where green zone relaxations have kicked into effect, providing respite to the people of Karnataka in those 14 districts. The Yediyurappa government announced those relaxations last night, and they've come into effect today in 14 districts, but with conditions. The move has allowed all shops in green zones, including those selling non-essential items, to be reopened, along with industrial units as well. All this, of course, while maintaining minimum proper social distancing and the use of face masks. However, big retail shops and malls will remain closed for the moment. According to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Karnataka has 520 COVID-19 cases and 20 people have lost their lives so far. But these images from 14 districts, which as you can see have been reopened to one semblance of normalcy.
The people, the DC and the SP, everybody have taken a drastic step and shut all the roads and everything. Because of that, I think we are not having any cases right now. Maybe another few days we want to, cope up with all this. I think people have to support.
Well, we're now in Madikeri in Kodagu district. This is the first day of the relaxation in the lockdown because Kodagu district is a green zone. This is the KSRTC bus stand, but because buses are still not allowed on the roads, the entire bus stand has been transformed into a market, vegetables and fruits. Now, it's very interesting. In spite of this, people are still maintaining social distancing and following the rules. In fact, all the people who come over here, you can see they are wearing their masks. They're being told to maintain social distancing, and this is what he continuously keeps on using his mic to inform the people in case he sees people sticking together, telling them, please maintain social distancing so that you can keep yourself and the others safe and sound.
That was Kodagu district. There are 13 other districts in Karnataka where green zone easing of the lockdown has kicked into effect now. Let me take you and show you the Karnataka map and what it looks like right now. It's actually a very, very heartening sight. Take a look at the Karnataka green zone map, and this gives you an idea of where things have actually been relaxed. That's Chamarajanagar, which is in South Karnataka. There is Koppal, there is Chikmagaluru, there is Raichur, there's Chitradurga, there's Ramnagara, there's Hassan, there's Shivamogga, there's Haveri, Yadgir, Kolar, Davangere, Udupi and Kodagu, where we have just been reporting from. These are all the different green zones of Karnataka where things have now taken a very positive turn and there are relaxations. That's why you've seen normalcy return to these places. Now take a look. I want to list for you what are those changes. You saw those images, but let me identify for you how life has actually changed for people in those green zones. As you saw, shops can open with very strict social distancing norms. Individuals can shop. Individual shops can open with a 50% workforce. The industry in rural areas can begin. which has already happened in those 14 districts. Manufacturing with access control in the special economic zones. Employers have to arrange transportation for all workers, ensuring social distancing in those green zones. So these are the big relaxations that have happened. Most shops, including, ladies and gentlemen, shops selling non-essential items have kicked back into activation, and that's why you're seeing that semblance of normalcy in 14 districts of Karnataka. Well, as relaxations have been eased in those 14 districts, a lot of people, including small businessmen like shop owners, are finally breathing a sigh of relief after more than a month of lockdown and economic uncertainty. We got you some voices. These are the first people of India breathing non-lockdown air, if I may describe it like that. Take a look.
Even though mine is it's a non-essential goods, we have so many families depending on who have been working with us for many years. Second thing is, there is a feeling of that things are settling down. It gives a lot of positivity into the town, saying that, okay, even the non-essentials are open, we are safe and things like that. Because today what I see in the town is people look much relieved and they're much slower. Otherwise, when there was only 2 hours, everybody used to cramp. And for a district like Madikeri, where it's a green zone, people are absolutely maintaining safe distance, social distancing, and we make sure everybody comes in with a mask.
थोड़ा कस्टमर पहले साथ में आए थे, उसके लिए हम लोग सिर्फ 3-4 कस्टमर को अंदर लिया, उनको कुछ दिया, जितना हमारे पास स्टाफ कभी 8-10 रहते हैं हम लोग, लेकिन आज सिर्फ 4 हैं, 50% कहा दिया है, 50% के अंदर ही रखे हैं. उसके लिए उनको कस्टमर दिया और उसके उनके भेजने के बाद दूसरा कस्टमर को हम अंदर ले रहे हैं.
What all precautions do you take?
हमारे पास स्टैनाइजर हम साथ में रखा है, और उसको पहले वो हाथ में देते हैं, उसके बाद में जो अंदर आते हैं कस्टमर उनको थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा पास में नहीं रखते, हम भी सोशल डिस्टेंस में रहते हैं, और उनको स्पेशली मास्क किसी के पास नहीं है, पहले मास्क पहनने के लिए हम बोल रहे हैं.
Okay, I want to go across to India today is Nolan Pinto, who's in Kodagu district, one of the 13 districts of Karnataka where green zone relaxations have come into effect. These are very pleasing sights. You know, I never thought I would say this, Nolan, but the sight of traffic on a road, the sight of shops open, people on the streets, which is usually something we all complain about. It is such a welcome sight, and you're there in Kodagu to enjoy all of it.
Well, absolutely, Shiv. But Shiv, my travel from Bengaluru right up to Madikeri has been fantastic. It rained throughout the journey, almost till Srirangpatna. Now, yes, I'm in Madikeri, and that's the statue of the great Field Marshal K.M. Karyappa in my background. Shiv, before I go about with what's actually happening over here, let me just show you what's the situation. It is still very calm in Madikeri. This road leads towards Madikeri city. Shiv, you've been here, you know how it is over here. The weather is really good. But Shiv, I'm pleasantly surprised when we came over here. People, even though shops are open, hardware shops, cloth shops, phone shops, basically for all those people for almost a month who could not repair their phones, they can actually do that now, or get spare parts for their TVs or even for their bathrooms. Everything is open. In spite of that, Shiv, people are out wearing masks, following social distancing. The police, you don't see that. One would have expected that, yes, today is the first day of the relaxation and of the lockdown and everybody would be out here jumping and screaming. No, everyone has been very decently following all the rules. So people, yes, are very, very relieved and are happy and are hoping that the government can relax more rules, especially when it comes to meat and liquor shops. This is what many people are actually asking, but they are very happy, Shiv.
Okay, they are happy. They're expecting that things will get even more normal, but I can imagine shopkeepers, residents in Madikeri. Madikeri is a bustling little town in Kodagu district. So for people to actually be out there shopping, it looks like discipline is being enforced as well. What a heartening sight. Thank you very much, Nolan, for that ground report from one of India's first green zones to open up in the lockdown. Well, as we speak, remember, we are nowhere close to opening up completely. India has over 31,000 coronavirus cases spreading over 354 districts in the country. So don't expect suddenly everything to open up. It's not going to happen even after May the 3rd.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.